Hello stalkers, welcome back. Wishing you all a happy weekend. Markets will be open from tomorrow. Let's start analyzing the charts. I'm on the weekly chart of DFM market index, that is Dubai Financial Market. Here we can see for the last 3 weeks market has been printing green candles. Support zones are intact, that is at 4,361 points and then 4,400 points. From here market bounced up and we are seeing continuous upside momentum. Market has already recovered more than 50% of this drop to the downside, which is a positive sign. From here there are very good chances market may break 4,500 points and even touch 4,555 points very soon. On the weekly chart, I don't see any negativity. It's looking very bullish. It's looking strong. Just a quick recap for the new viewers. After making a bottom till about 4,930 points, we are seeing a strong upside momentum. It came down for a retest that was obviously a success. From here again we are seeing strong bullish momentum, and then due to the geopolitical scenarios we saw this strong red candle that brought in panic in the market. But best part is, as I just mentioned, we are seeing good recovery. Immediate resistance is 4,500 points. I hope it break past this week. But in case if it wants to come down, then we have already identified our support zones. 4,400 is support and then 4,361. If it comes down and breaks this support zone, then DFM market index will be negative. There are chances it can come down till about 4,291 points. I hope that does not happen and market continues its upside momentum. On the daily chart, market is just going sideways. We can see about 10 to 12 days market is at the same zone. Neither it's breaking up or breaking down. Hit the like button if you are also watching this zone very closely like me and waiting for a breakout. So tomorrow, if at all market sentiments are positive, which I think, then there are good chances we can see a breakout on the daily chart of 4,500. Now the main thing is it should not break out and come down. We want to see it sustaining above this zone, else this would be considered as a fake breakout. On the negative scenario, if at all this support zone is broken, then be ready, we can see aggressive move to the downside. Similarly, if a breakout is to the upside, we will see aggressive move because market has been consolidating here. Because market has been consolidating in this zone that is between 4,500 and 4,559 points for about 10 to 12 days. If at all it moves to the upside, it will move very faster. On the daily chart, market is still looking positive. Now it's time for a breakout. Overall trend is still bullish. If I talk about ADX market index, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange, it's looking bit negative. I'm sure by now, if at all you are watching my videos regularly, you know this is a negative candle. It's not able to break out the resistance zone. It did not even recover from this drop to the downside. It only recovered around 30 to 35% and then we are seeing rejection. This is a sign of negativity or there are no strong bulls in the market. Check this out, last candle is negative. It was not able to sustain above immediate support that is 9,245. Last closing is at 9,203 points. There are good chances coming week it can visit this area that is 9,160, that is next immediate identified support. If at all it's not able to sustain here, then slowly and steadily it may even come down till about 8,974 points. Obviously on the way down there is support at 9,100, then we also have it around 9,065, but major or strong support is right here. Hopefully that does not happen. Now in order to invalidate this red candle right here that it printed last week, we want to see a solid green candle exactly opposite to red candle so that we can confirm that now buyers are defending the zone and there are good chances after the breakout of the resistance that is 9,245 that was previously a support is taken out, and then from here we can expect upside momentum. Otherwise, as of now on the weekly chart, ADX market index is looking negative. Let's go down to daily and see how the market is looking on the daily chart. So here we can clearly see a rejection right here with this green candle. In Friday's session, market tried to go up. It went up till about 9,236 points. Resistance is at 9,245. Even before touching the resistance, we saw rejection, clearly indicating buyers are not stronger, sellers are controlling as of now. So there are good chances it can come down to visit this zone and take a bounce. 9160 will be the area to watch out as of now. This is very crucial zone for ADX market. Previously, if at all we see this zone right here, after this strong drop, immediately market recovered more than 50%. This was a good indication that market would continue climbing higher, and this is what we saw exactly. But in this scenario, market is still struggling. It's not able to break past the 50% zone, and from here we are seeing rejection candles. Tomorrow Lulu IPO is also starting, so we may see some liquidity crunch in both the markets. Anyhow, overall, if at all sentiments are positive, then we want to see a breakout of this zone, and on the weekly closing I want to see a candle above 9330 points that would invalidate the red candle that I showed you on the weekly chart, and from here we can expect continuous upside momentum. Overall, ADX market index is looking a bit weaker when I compare it to DFM market. Let's see how it performs coming week. Many of you have requested for Julphar. This is the daily chart. Previously, when it was moving up aggressively, we all made money on the way up. When it hit the resistance, I offloaded my quantities at around 1.70. This is a resistance zone I had mentioned in my members video as well, and from here we are seeing a decline. Lately, during the market hours, there was a news from ADX that Julphar will be suspended for trading, and this created a panic. We could see aggressive selling for about 2 days, and then ADX on the same day again clarified that no, Julphar will not be suspended, it will be resumed for trading. And from here we are seeing confidence entering back into the market, into Julphar. In Friday's session it opened with a gap down, but we saw crazy volume. It's limit up for the day. That means there were no sellers for Julphar, there were only buyers waiting for the shares, but there was no seller in the market. So plan of action for Monday. Euphoria for this candle is still there. Market is expecting upside momentum. We will get our first indication if it opens flat or with a gap up. If it opens with a big gap up, then there are good chances we might see some profit booking coming in, and in between this gap we may see a bounce at any price level. So it would be considered as a buying opportunity, and from here there are very strong chances it may try and visit 1.75 again, that is a resistance. We never know, it can again make a limit up for Monday's session. Overall sentiments are positive. There are some geopolitical scenarios, but I think Julphar will sustain. We will get another indication that is on the negative side. If at all it opens with a gap down, then this would be a sign of worry. Whoever bought into this candle, they will try to offload their shares, because whoever bought at the bottom or even at the top, they will at least try to book some profit or come out at break-even point. So we may see some selling pressure, and then later during the day it may stabilize, and then we will see how the market opens on Tuesday. So as of now, Julphar is looking very positive, very strong. After a strong upside momentum, if this was the correction phase, then it should break the previous swing high, that is 1.75, and make a new leg to the upside. I hope that happens and we make good profits in this stock. Do comment and let me know if you have bought this stock in Friday's session. Hit the like button if today's video was helpful. For more detailed analysis and my stock recommendations, you can join my YouTube membership. Scan the QR code. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.